Oh, hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. Trying to switch up my intros a little bit. What do we got going on today? Just getting off another night of, it was kind of like a 13-hour night. Our days are just getting more and more extended. I'm sure you all are feeling the lack of workers all around the world. Today, we're working on the Mercedes. This should be fun. Definitely not gonna be fun. Nah, it shouldn't be too bad, YouTube. So basically, I'm almost 100% positive at this point that the brake master cylinder went out. If you pump the brakes, you're able to build up enough pressure to stop, but it does not currently have brake pressure. And all of the brake hoses are brand new, and I've been checking for leaks underneath. Zero leaks, of course. So I noticed that there's actually, from what I can tell, no videos on YouTube of an R129 getting the brake master cylinder replaced. So I decided maybe it'd be good if I made a little video about it. So we have the brake master cylinder, brand new. It's a TRW off FCP Euro, and a brake reservoir, which I found online. Most of these are actually pretty universal, and the newer style seems to have everything closed off on the top, so you don't actually need that little rubber piece like the older ones had. I think the only difference is that this is a little bit bigger, but it looks, from what I could tell at least, it looks like it's gonna fit. So take that with a grain of salt until I get it installed. I have no idea. So far it fits on the master cylinder. Let me kind of line it up here. Let's see. Yeah, with it lined up, it looks like it'll fit. It said it was made for all years of Mercedes up through like 2023 or something like that. So it seems like they improved the design. I'm hoping it works, and if it does work, if any of you need the part number, since it's impossible to find the original brake reservoir for this, just message me or leave a comment. Eventually, when I remember to, I'll post it. Yeah, unfortunately the Mercedes has been sitting all these months because I couldn't find it. I could not find this piece, as my wife would say, to save my life. So we're gonna start off. I'm not gonna record everything because it's, you know, it's just taking stuff apart, putting it back together. So I'm gonna start off with the brake lines. From what I can tell, we got 1, 2, and then underneath here we got one bolt holding it to the brake, what do you call it, brake booster, and we got one more down there. Let me see if you guys can see that. There we go. I don't know if you can see it right down there. That's the second bolt. So it's just 4 things you got to take off, and hopefully this will go pretty smooth. For my own record, and it might only be one way you can put it on, but brown on the right, brown white on the left. I'll leave it just like that, and hopefully I won't forget. There might only be one way you can install it. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe I can use that. Leave it just like that. So brown white on the left. All right, let me start removing some bolts. Again, I'm not going to show that because I don't think y'all want to see that. That's no fun. I will say, let's see if we can crack these though. Oh yeah, I should have PB blasted them. All right. What I'll do is I'll start removing stuff, or start, you know, seeing what works best, and I'll report back to you all. Oh, you know what? Let me grab an 11 and let's try this together. All right, YouTube, let's see. Oh, wait. Control down for a second. I think I broke this one free with an 11. Oh, that's... Huh, that could have almost been gone forever. Don't know how that goes. So, bottom one looks to be an 11 for sure. Let's see if I can continue loosening it with a 12. Nope. Let me go grab my 11 again. Stand by. Alright, YouTube, here we go. My GoPro is acting up. Apparently I haven't used it enough recently, I guess. So we got another 12 here. Well, what I'm hoping is I'm able to just break it free. Not strip anything. This is proving to be fun. Definitely not a half. It's definitely a 12. It appears to definitely not be a 7/16. So a definite 12. Oh, I broke it free. All right. Let's see, YouTube. I broke it free, but maybe not free enough. Emma. Nice. All right. Yes. And it appears to still be sealing pretty well. This is already leaking, so let's tighten that up a little bit, because I don't want it leaking anywhere. Alright, so they're both loose. Next task is for bigger bolts, which look to be... So, let me go back a little bit, just so you all are tracking. This is a 12, this is an 11, not a 10, an 11. The bigger bolt is either a 13 or a 14, but let me... Actually, I have my tools right over here. What am I saying? Alright, let's try a 13 first. Looks like it might just be a 13. Oh, okay. Yep, so that's a 13. We kind of broke that loose. I don't know if I should go all the way with it. Oops, sorry, YouTube. There we go. I think the only edits I'm actually going to do for this video are just combining the clips so that you can all see that, you know, none of this is made up or whatever. Cool. So that one is just about out. Now let's see. The fun one. Maybe it's not a 13. Let me check this here. Let's see. It's weird. It's like tight for a 13, but I don't think it's a 14 either. I think this... Oh, that's weird. It's not a 9/16. The half. Oh, that's weird, YouTube. That is extremely weird. It is a half. So we'll put that there. That way we can lose it. Typical fashion. If you don't lose parts, then you're not really a true mechanic. Says no one ever. Alright. Well, I'm hoping. Once I get it to a certain point, it's not too much of a pain. Yeah, this is a half. Now, I have a half in here. So let's see. That's so weird. It's definitely a tight spot in typical German fashion. I'm gonna see if I can use this over here. Alright, so this is a pretty good angle to get at. For the most part. Still not a great angle. Going to town here. Going to town. Oh yeah. Going to town. Nice. Alright, now this is going to be the messy part. I guess I am recording most of the video. That one. I have this one here. I guess we're going to find out if this is just part of the fun or if this is all of the fun. Come on. There we go. She's coming. This one was a little bit harder. how to find out how stuck on. Oh, okay. Hopefully we don't got to take the entire thing out. I'm sure that would be fun. All right. Looks like it's coming. I'm gonna have to remove more. Guess we're about to find out. What I might have to do is pop these out. All right. Come on. Alright, I got one. Oh, okay. We saved it. For the most part, we saved it there, so we're doing good. Alright, now we got some room. Gently wedge this out. Oh, let's not get leaves and debris in there. Hopefully. Oh boy. You know, they don't make it easy, YouTube. If they did, everyone would be doing it, right? It looks like it's right about there, too. So what is it caught on? Unless the entire brake master booster has to come out with it. Oh, well maybe. Did I get it? I don't think I did. Oh no, I think I know what I gotta do. And it's not gonna be fun. Does this? This does not come out. Can I move it out of the way a little? Okay. Uh-huh. Tell you what, Germans really do think of everything. Let's see. Oh yeah, there was definitely fluid on the end of that, YouTube. The side that usually goes out is the side that went out. Yep. It was just starting to go out. Nice. Oh. Let's put it to the side. Supposedly the newer ones are a little bit better with that. Take that with a grain of salt. Now I'm gonna clean up my hands, check inside the brake booster and go from there. Honestly, I probably won't record putting it back together because it seems pretty easy, to be honest. And I'm checking in here, I don't see any rust, so I think we're good, YouTube. If anything, there might be a time lapse. Stay tuned. Hey YouTube, Diesel and Peters here. Before I forgot, because I'm really good at doing that, we have the Mercedes back together, and this is just a trick I do just to bleed off any residual bubbles that might be in the system. I just push the seat forward, got something on the brake pedal, and you just kind of push it down a little, and because I don't drive it every day, it'll finish bleeding by that point. I already went through each brake caliper and made sure that everything was bled off. So she's got brakes again. Yep. Nice new master cylinder, and apparently it's a common problem with the older Mercedes where the seal, the very back seal closest to the brake booster, goes out. Yeah, so she's all back together, and I finally put the plastic skid plate back on that's supposed to be down there. And I also replaced that light, the bulb down there. So now they both have LEDs. It's got LEDs all around. But yeah, it's little things in life, YouTube. Getting things done again. Oh. Oh, it's because of the floor mats I have in here. I gotta push that back, otherwise it won't close. She needs a good polish, but she's a good car. It's only got 120,000 miles on it, or something like that. It's really low miles. Lock her up. Wheels are holding up. These were the ones I had redone last year. Just has some paint, not paint, some dirt on it. Nothing too bad though. I really should, before it stains it, what do you call it, give it a good wash. I'll get that done eventually though. But yeah, that's all I got for now, YouTube. Just wanted to touch base with that, and now I'm gonna go chop some trees up. So stay tuned. Diesel and Peters signing out for now.